It fires me up to have these conversations, and I would love to do more of these videos. If you genuinely enjoy this video, please like, share, and go ahead and drop me a comment if there is something specific you would like to see next. This is one of my favorite videos by far. Talking about home construction design and aesthetics, that's what I'm most passionate about. So welcome to Austin's very own 3D Homes. So just saying the word 3D and homes in the same sentence sounds really crazy. Well, I'm an out-of-box thinker, and it fires me up to bring you something other than traditional home. You're probably tired of seeing the same old carousel videos stitched together, or professionals doing walkthrough videos showing you living rooms, kitchen, office, garages. Well, with cool stuff like new construction materials, design features, and culture in our city, this was a video I just had to do. This is a relatively new method of construction, and just like anything that's new, there's always a few kinks to work out. Now, things like design flaws always come up even in typical construction methods. So the blueprints can be really tricky. And it makes me wonder how this new technology will fare against all of the conventional methods of construction. We're going to take you today to the most interesting part of our city. Now, it's obvious why Icon Homes decided to start their project on this side of the town. And it has been announced, are you ready for this? That the Fortune 500 company, Lennar Homes, is teaming up with Icon to start the largest 3D home community here in Austin, Texas. Now that would be later down the road, and we'll make sure to keep you informed about that. Icon chose to build their concept here next to some of the best food and music in the city of Austin. With a downtown address, it is obvious that there's plenty to do, and it will make it a perfect location for people who are looking for a lifestyle. Now, I get clients asking me all the time, what do you think about tiny homes, Rosie? What do you think is the future of home construction? How will all this impact real estate prices, and where should I invest that will make most sense for me in future? So here's the thing. Don't expect a friendly price tag, because building any kind of home, conventional construction or 3D home, it's simply a matter of supply and demand. Neither are there high number of 3D homes, and neither there are that many lots to build on, especially that are centrally located in city of Austin. Right now, 3D homes are being built in the central part of city of Austin. So exposure is everything. We might start to see a price tag advantage on the construction when it comes to outskirts, as land is much cheaper there. This can be a double-edged sword though, as depreciation tends to be higher in the center of the city. So if you're curious about 3D home construction, maybe you're wondering about tiny homes, perhaps you're thinking about duplexes and multifamily investments. I would love to spend some time with you speaking about these things, so drop me a comment, give me a call, and allow me to help you find your next investment. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing from you.